Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how we can create free Intune Lab. So to do this, first of all, we have to go to the internet and we have to search for try Microsoft Intune for free. And then you will see the very first site, try Microsoft Intune for free. And here you will able to see all the recommended prerequisite to do this, and in bottom you can see that you have an option to get started, set up your Microsoft Intune for free. You have to click on this, and then from this window you have to scroll down, and then here you have an option Microsoft Intune Plan 1 trial account setup page. You have to click on this, and then from here you have to start providing your email ID. So let me type my email ID. And then you can see that after enabling this free trial, we will get 25 Intune license for 1 month, and then click on next. And then you have to click on set up your account and then provide the name. So let me fill the details. And then click on next. And then here you have to provide the domain name. So let me type and see whether the domain is present or not. And here you have to provide the password. So let me update the password. And then click on next. If this domain is available, we will get this domain. Otherwise, we have to change the domain name. So let me click on next. And looks like this domain is not present. So what we can do, we can just add one or two and click on next. And looks like this domain is now available. And now here we have to update the additional information like my name, my middle name, my last name, my address, and then my PIN code, my mobile number, and other information. So let me quickly add this and click on save. And now we are getting this information to confirm your details and click on use this address. And then here you have to provide your tax ID or TIN number. So let me update this. And click on save. And now here you have to add a payment method. You can use a debit card or you can use a credit card, and your card is only used for verification purpose and won't be charged until you buy something. So then you have to provide your credit card number, security number, and all this information. And now we can see that after successfully completing the validation using the credit card information, I am able to create my lab. This is my account through which I have to log in my Intune tenant, and this is a global administrator email ID. And this is the email account in which I will get the notifications and billing related stuffs. So let me do one thing. Let me just open a notepad file and let me copy this email ID and then click on get started. And then what you have to do, you have to set up your multi-factor authentication. So you have to click on setup now and then click on next. And then you have to install the authenticator on your mobile and click on next. And then click on next. And you have to scan this QR code using the authenticator app. And then click on next. And now I'm getting an window to add this number. So let me add 64. Click on yes in my mobile. And you have to click on done and click on yes. And now you are able to log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. And if you go to the billing section and go to your products information, and now here you can see that you have a Intune Plan 1 trial license and you have a 25 license, out of which one is already assigned to you, and this license is going to expire on this date. And if you want to purchase few more licenses, what you have to do, you have to go to the add more products and then click on all products. And then if you go down, and from here you can search all the products you want to purchase, like you want to purchase a 365 business premium or whatever product you want to purchase. You can see if that purchase is available. And now we can log in into the Intune portal, and to do this we have to go to the admin center, and then we have an option called Microsoft Intune. Click on this and then select the account. And now you can see that you are now able to log into the Intune portal, and then you can use the Intune for 1 month free of cost without any payment. So that's all for this video, and I will see you soon in my next video.